Hi everyone, welcome to Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and today I will show you the Range Tour D20 dashcam. First, let's see what came inside the box. This is a 3.5mm USB power cable. If your card doesn't have a USB port, you'll need a car charger adapter. I received two types of dashcam mounts. One is a cup suction mount, which is my personal favorite because I can easily remove it from my car's windshield. The other type is an adhesive mount. The kind seller also sent extra double-sided adhesive stickers and these mounting membranes that goes between the windshield and the adhesive mount, and a card reader for the memory card, and this install stick, these wire buckles, a disassemble rope, a lens cleaning cloth, hook and loop fasteners, a warranty card, and a user manual in English, which you can find on my website originalvideoreviews.com. Now let's take a closer look at the Range Tour D20 dashcam. This is the front camera, which has a wide-angle lens capturing video and photos in a 170-degree field of view. On the back of the camera is a 2-inch LCD display, and beneath it are 5 control buttons. Please notice that the sticker with the Range Tour logo is poorly attached. This is the rear camera. It also has a wide 170-degree field of view, can rotate 240 degrees, and captures video only. Here we have a speaker, and I suspect there's a separate microphone for the top camera and the bottom camera. At the top is the windshield mount socket, and next to it is the memory card slot. The D20 supports a Class 10 micro SD card with up to 256 GB. You can see how I insert and extract the memory card. On the left side we have a power button, a reset button, a GPS socket, and a 5V mini USB port to power the dashcam. Let's turn on the dashcam. The camcorder's icon on the top left means that we're in video mode. A short press on the switch button will switch between the camera's display. A short press on the down button will enable or mute the microphone. A short press on the OK button will enable or disable video recording. A long press on the up button will turn on the Wi-Fi mode. A long press on the M button will switch to still photo mode, playback mode, and back to video mode. A short press on the M button will enter and switch between the menus for each mode. Please note that the setup menu is identical for video mode, still photo mode, and playback mode. The dashcam can capture video at a resolution of up to 2880 on 2160 at 24 frames per second when only the front camera is selected, or up to Full HD for both cameras if it is set to dual video recording. Now I'd like to share with you some video footage that I captured using the D20 dashcam in its dual Full HD mode. Each video was recorded separately, and on the top left you can see the view from the opposite camera, as I've edited the video to show that perspective simultaneously. I hope you enjoyed the brief video demonstration. Let me know in the comments what you think about it and take a guess at which car I was driving. Meanwhile, you can see me going over the rest of the menus and features in the video mode that the D20 dashcam offers. If you have specific questions regarding what you see in the video, please check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. If there's still no answer to that, leave a comment and I will do my best to assist you. Now I've switched to the still mode, in which you can capture photos, and I'm quickly going over the menu and features. This is the playback mode, which allows you to play videos and photos you captured and are saved on the microSD memory card. You can see me now going over the features in the playback mode menu. Now I will show you how the Wi-Fi works with this dashcam. It establishes a local Wi-Fi connection between the dashcam and your smartphone. To use it, you need to download an app called Roadcam, which is available for iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to control the camera and review the files that are saved on the memory card. It is relatively easy to use, and the best thing about it is that you can save the files to your smartphone. The last menu is the setup menu, which is identical for each of the modes and contains general settings for the dashcam. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the Range Tour D20 dashcam. Let me know what you think about it, and if you choose to get yourself one, did it live up to your expectations? As I mentioned before, if you still have any questions about it, check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. For more amazing videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Original Video Reviews, and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.